They become crazed lunatics. And all they have to do, Nora, is say, let's vote. The problem is they want to give money to prisoners, to drug dealers, to all these millions of people that were allowed to come in with an open border from Biden, and nobody can do that. Not one Republican would ever do that.
So Trump last night on the shutdown and also on SNAP, a program which has been exposed as quite a scam over the past week as we've all put our eyes on what this thing is. Shutdown making Americans realize 42 million of us are on food stamps in this country, which is a shocking number. And most of those people are more than capable of working. The Trump administration announced they'll be funding half of the November food stamp benefits using an emergency fund ordered by lower courts. SNAP costs about $100 billion a year right now, but don't ask why. 21 Democrat states refused to turn over SNAP data to the Ag Secretary Brooke Rollins upon request. Two of them actually sued her just for asking. We just want to know, who are you giving all this money to? And then they sued the government for asking. Secretary wanted to review the data to ensure that illegals are not receiving SNAP because they are not in any way entitled to that. In 2010, the federal SNAP spending was $68 billion. 2022 was $120 billion. COVID and a whole lot of illegals are what changed. A major spike as soon as Biden came into office and, of course, opened the borders. Congressman Riley Moore joins us now to talk more about all this. And, sir, it's good to have you on. How did SNAP double in 12 years? I mean, what happened?
Well, you saw this precipitously climb first under the Obama administration. Then we had just the money bonfire of COVID, right? And that's where it really accelerated and got out of control. But this idea that the states aren't going to report back on how the money gets spent, this sounds very familiar to what we just ended. The states, 11 of them, Democrat states in this country, were giving Medicaid to illegal immigrants. Same kind of thing that's been going on. They run the programs in their state, but the federal tax dollars are funding it. So there do need to be some answers here on this, absolutely. But it's just been over the last decade where we've seen this just really explode.
What the hell are we doing? I mean, if we ask a state that we want verifications on where our federal money is going in your state, and they respond with a middle finger, why are we sending the money? I mean, don't we have the power to withhold that? I can't believe that that's the reality in Washington, that you can respond that way.
No, I couldn't agree with you more. And that's why in the One Big Beautiful Bill, we said, hey, listen, if you all are going to continue to give free health care to illegal immigrants, guess what?
Yeah.
If you want to do that, your state can pay for that. It's a terrible idea, but you're paying for it. We're not doing that anymore. And that's why we were able to get rid of that loophole where they had eliminated the verification process for citizens in the One Big Beautiful Bill. And that's actually what we're arguing about right now, why the government shut down, because the Democrats want that brought back. They want to be able to give illegal immigrants once again to the tune of $1.5 trillion health care to illegal immigrants again.
We got to keep deporting. That's the real answer is that you can't. I mean, we've brought in so many people and put them on the dole just so Democrats can win future elections. It's so vile what they've done. It's so treasonous what they've done, the plan that they had. You know, everybody's reporting the same stories, the same spin. You turn the channel, it's always the same. But not us. We're different. We report the real news. No spin, just the facts. Turn to us, and you won't turn back.
Tune in to Rob Schmitt tonight on Newsmax.